Hi mga bakla, good morning, buenos dias, and guandayin dyan sa Iceland. And yeah, ayan, Stefan is here. He just got here on Dhaka F to bring back the boat, the small tango. But yeah, just look at him, wait for him. And actually the good thing is it's sold out already. The buyer made a down payment. We have no key. Let's wait for him. So the client made the down payment already, and yeah, it's ready to go. But it's been a long time actually selling this boat online, and gladly after the meeting between the clients and Stefan, because Stefan speaks French, and that's how this boat got sold out because of Stefan. So thanks to him, actually he's a perfect candidate. Stefan is the perfect candidate for getting a or having a brokerage company, because he has a brand name. Everyone knows him. I mean, not all, but French people. He can speak French, German, Dutch, what else? English, Spanish, and their language. A lot of he can speak also. I'm just encouraging. I'm always encouraging to do a business, but he said I've did it already before, and it's lots of problems and blah blah blah. But now I said okay, I can do that now. Before he was alone, so it's hard for him to do that. But now I'm with him, so I'll be just behind him, supporting him. He's a nice person, super nice, but of course everyone has a problem. Actually, today we had a bit of dispute. I caught him today. He did reactivate his Instagram account, which is I made him delete that one because there's so many girls messaging him, contacting him, which I am in relationship with them, which is cannot be. Then today I just got him added 38 or following 38 women, and one of the women is this girl that I got jealous of on Facebook, because I knew and I can feel it that this girl is a monster or a freaking something that I don't like. You as a woman, you have this instinct that when someone is trying to flirt with your partner, you know it already. You knew it already, and it happened. She's there on the Instagram of Stefan. So her there posting something, and this time she approached Stefan actually to just make a advertisement regarding the boat for charter boat, but it's not. Her intention is overwhelming. It's not just charter whatsoever. It's so pricey. It's so pricey.
No, it's not sinking. Not sinking. Not sinking. Please.
Hi mga bags, welcome back. Ayun. Alam niyo ba ang nangyari? Oh my God, what a disaster today. So that boat got sold out, and now it's just leaking and leaking and leaking. OMG. It almost sank. It was sinking. Literally, sinking. The water is filling it up. Oh my God. And Stefan got so he panicked a lot. I don't know. I mean, normally you don't panic. He's the captain, but he's been always like that. He needs to calm down so he can focus on what happened. He got bleed, head was bleeding. So I'm sorry for him, but I know he can do it. Is to bring it back to the boatyard again because it is sinking, girl. Almost. So they have to fix it again. That's actually the bad thing about Stefan. He panicked so quick a lot, and he cannot focus. Normally you have to be mindful, focus. If it's gonna happen in the middle of the ocean, oh, that's so bad. Because you have no one will help you. Nothing. So yeah, gladly I came there. So because if he was just alone, it's hard, no. But yeah, he has to go back there and get it fixed to the boatyard. But he said he's not gonna touch this boat again and again. At least it's sold out already. And yeah, kung nakita niyo lang girl, kung anong nangyari kanina, oh my God. He panicked a lot. I panicked a lot also because it's sinking. So what are you gonna do also? So what I did, I just kept him, calm, but he won't. But gladly this marinero help. Then it got fixed a bit, but it's not gonna stay for long. And it's a salt water, So yeah, look at that. Got ready. So yeah, it's a pretty bad start, but hoping for the few days it's gonna be